What's up, y'all? It's your girl Desha Pace, and it's early Saturday morning, and Princess Rain and I are on our way out. It's 11:17, so I guess that's early. Early for me to be out on a Saturday. Not more than once a month, right?
At the stop sign, turn right onto Meadow Drive, then turn right onto Upland Road.
Really? Okay. So look, I'm gonna stop because I don't want her talking while she's giving us directions where we're about to head to. So y'all stay tuned. Hey y'all, look, we have been driving for like 25 minutes trying to find this RV park, which is like 40 minutes from the house. Yeah, because when we plugged in the address, it said 30 minutes. And we were already like 10 minutes away from the house. So it was like a 40-minute ride. When I tell y'all, these roads is back roads and country. There's no street lights. You couldn't pay me to come out here at night. No, sirree.
It has, over here, they have really good houses.
Yeah, somebody got some money out here. I'm going to have Rain turn the camera around so y'all can see. Y'all stay tuned. Look, y'all, no way would I be out here at night. Nope, no street lights.
In 1 mile, turn right.
And I assume we're going to stay on this road. These roads is windy. These people trying to run me over. Look, I done moved out the way. I done pulled over one time and got out the way so they can go on around me. I don't know where I'm going. And it says, 35 miles an hour. I was like, Rain, they're not doing 35 miles an hour. They're flying. And like I said, I don't know the roads, and I don't know where I'm going. But, you know. And we talk about going camping and stuff, and I can't be scared. We're gonna need some bear spray, deer spray,
Turn right,
bullhorns, what do you want to call it? Yeah. Creeping out places like this. This is a little different.
We're here.
Is this it?
Yeah, it said turn right.
Oh, we're here.
Yep, we're here.
Yep,
in a
we're
quarter
here.
of a mile, turn left.
This ain't it.
It is, Mom. We're here.
Y'all stay tuned. I'm gonna go in here real quick. I got some questions I need to ask. Hold tight.
The pool right there.
Where's the pool?
Right there. Well, I think this is the pool.
Where's that? There's no pool. Okay, y'all.
Mom, you flipped the wrong way. You flipped it the wrong way.
Yeah, that's where I wanted to show the scenery. All right, y'all. All they have out here is cottages and RV camping. We can't do any tent camping. But this still here is a nice,
This reminds me of
a nice little spot for the weekend. So Rain and I, we on our way to take a little tour. We can go fishing. Hopefully I can find it. I'm trying to see how I get up to these cottages and show you these cottages. Let's see.
I feel like you just passed it.
Well, we got some right here. Oh, they nice size, y'all. And they got a beach and everything out here. You can go fishing. Oh, this is nice size. Yeah, let's see. We can't go in because of COVID. But, because I asked, could we see them on the inside? And she was like, no, unfortunately, you can't. Because we clean them and everything. But yeah, nice little weekend getaway. Princess Rain trying to work the camera. But yeah.
And they have a pool, a resort. Well, that's a pool, a fitness room, a spa, and the arts and crafts, and they also have pizza and ice cream and stuff. And they have a dog park. They have a laundry room and like you can shower and stuff.
So we're gonna be riding around. Let's see what we can find. Rain, which way we go to? She said the beach is all the way at the back. And, we'll see. Oh, this cottage is way down there. I don't know how to get down there.
This over.
No, they didn't see them.
It's the same thing.
Okay, so I guess we go to the right. I guess this is the back. Okay, so I guess this is the back.
Yes, because
Look at the water. Ooh. I wonder if they got golf carts out here to rent, Rain.
I think they do.
There's something called a pavilion. That's probably where the arts and crafts and stuff at. No?
Because we're on the 2 roads.
Oh yeah, they got some nice cottages. Oh, we might could look in the window. Let's see if we can look in the window.
No, that's just no.
Oh, they got a bathroom.
Y'all, she's creepy.
Bathroom, laundry.
Mama.
Why?
It's weird. Why
Girl,
would
it's
you
nobody
do that?
here. It's open.
Still,
Well, I
that's
can't look
not.
in.
That's not
Look,
good.
I ain't thinking about Rain, y'all. I'm gonna look in.
Guys, if you don't post a while, it's gonna be her. It's gonna be her fault.
Oh, we can't go in.
Well, why are you gonna look inside?
Leave me alone.
It's weird.
Hold on. Okay, y'all, since we can't look in, go in. Look. It's nice. Let's see. Oh, I hope y'all can see that. Nice little kitchen, TV. Hope y'all can see. So, it's nice. It's nice out here. Yep, I could do a weekend out here. Yep. Okay, y'all stay tight.
Guys, my mom does not know the word privacy because
It's empty. There's nobody in it.
still, what happens if somebody like if they have it but they like went away?
Well, they should have closed the curtains, the blinds.
See, this is why I can't. Why would you just do that?
She is so whatever. Okay, y'all. Look.
Like go camping and stuff. Like,
Whew. Okay, y'all. It is cold out here. But yeah. Here we go. The little beach. Can y'all see?
so pretty.
Wow. And they said we can go fishing out here. Look at the water. Ooh. Yes. And I showed y'all the cottages. And we do need a fishing license. $10 at Walmart or whatever, but it's cold out here, y'all. Whew. Yes. Y'all stay tuned. Y'all, I'm back. They had plenty of cottages, that's for sure. Plenty of cottages. They don't have a stove, but they got a stove top that you can cook off on or cook on and everything. So, and we have stuff for hookups. We have, electric grills and stuff. I have. Since Rain and I, we trying to get it together because the weekends we're gonna be out. Yes. So this is one of the spots I guess we'll come and spend some time at this summer. Yeah. This is the spot we'll be at. We're gonna do at least a weekend. Yep. I'm looking forward to it. Not too far from the house, and it's pet friendly, and we can bring Princess, our little tiny dog. All right, y'all. Just stay tuned.
I guess.
Okay, y'all. I'm gonna show y'all just a little bit of coming up out of here. And Ray just plugged in that address to go back home. And it's 12 miles just on this road till we get to the main road. And that was like a 20-minute ride on that one road. Yes.
This
So.
seat is so back. I can't put this thing up.
Pull the seat up. I pulled it up one time for you. I don't know why. It's not on that side. It's on your right side. Look, I don't know why Ray won't pull the seat up.
I will. I have to.
But I am not gonna keep y'all up here. But I just want to show y'all some of this. And there's some nice houses out here. I can't say when I'm gonna see them. So, but I can take y'all along. Y'all might be able to see them. I mean, when I say they be getting up, y'all, they be getting up. Flying down through here. Rain, it's gonna be on the right hand side. The other
What do you
button.
mean?
I did it the other day.
And it's not this. This is.
Rain, it's gonna be a long piece like that on the side.
Mom, it's not.
It is, Rain. I pulled it up when you went in the dentist's office.
This is like going.
Rain, it's 3 or 4 buttons over there. Y'all, when I said this girl act like she's slow,
I can't. There's only 3.
I just said it's 3 or 4 buttons over there.
And none of them work.
It does. Tell me my car thing don't work.
It's not working.
Cause you know what? You makes me so tired.
No. It's right.
I don't know why she act like she be slow sometime, y'all.
Because I do be slow.
You pushing the wrong thing.
Okay, guys, I'm sorry for.
Did you get it?
Yes.
Why you telling me you sorry?
Because
I need to be the one that she telling sorry to.
I didn't say sorry. I was about to. Sorry, Mom.
Tell me something that ain't over there. Yes, it is.
Well, I didn't know the button can go like side to side. I just thought it'd go up and down.
Look, y'all, I've had this car since September. And she act like she don't know what my buttons and stuff do. Y'all, I wish y'all could see that house over there. Oh my gosh. It is so nice.
I saw my what's it called?
Ain't that it right there?
No.
You probably could have drove down through there though. I don't know.
I saw I keep on forgetting my word. My future home. Remember it was like the dark color.
Yeah.
That is.
Oh boy, yeah. The little resort area was nice. They said that we were like the 4th or 5th person that's rode through today to come check it out. I wish we could do tent camping though, but we can't. But anyway, that's fine. We can do a cottage here for the weekend a couple times this year, and then we do some tent camping. I can't wait for the tent camping. Yes. Getting our stuff together. Yes, stay tuned.